Hey, fashion lovers! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are talking about the wide leg pants trends, top styles and how to wear them with tops, accessories, shoes and in combos. Wide leg pants are making a comeback from the 1990s, and they are dominating the style game. These iconic bottoms are getting wider and better with time. Super versatile, chic and comfortable, they can be styled for any event and flatter every body type. Discover how to rock wide leg pants and make them a statement piece in your wardrobe. Top wear: you need to decide whether you want to show off your waist or hide it. If you're aiming to create a flattering silhouette and want all the attention on your defined waistline, tuck in your top, blouse, or shirt, or opt for a crop top. Layer it with a front open jacket or a tailored short blazer for a polished and sophisticated look. For a sharp workwear appearance, consider adding a waistcoat to your outfit. If you are willing to hide your waistline, you can wear a loose fit t-shirt, sweatshirt, hoodie, lightweight knitwear or cardigans that can add a cozy yet stylish touch. Prints and patterns: if you're wearing solid wide leg pants, spice things up with a pattern top. On the flip side, if your pants are patterned, opt for a simple top to keep the look balanced. Remember, proportions play a major role in your outfit. Balancing bold pieces with understated ones ensures a classic, polished look. Play with accessories to enhance your style but keep the overall vibe cohesive and chic. Cords. Wearing a wide leg cord set is a fantastic way to make a stylish statement with minimal effort. This chic ensemble offers a coordinated look that is both effortless and polished. To elevate your wide leg cord set, start by choosing pieces that fit well and complement your body shape. Opt for a high-waisted design to accentuate your waist and create a flattering silhouette. For a casual day out, pair your cord set with sneakers or sandals and a crossbody bag for a relaxed vibe. If you're aiming for a more sophisticated look, swap in some heeled boots or strappy sandals and add a sleek clutch or a structured handbag. Accessories: belts: opt for a high-waisted design to accentuate your waist and create a flattering silhouette. A belt can accentuate your waist and add a touch of style. Choose a belt that complements the color and texture of your pants. Fancy big button: let the big buttons be the star of the show by keeping the rest of your outfit simple. Opt for a fitted or tucked-in top to ensure the button details are clearly visible and to create a flattering silhouette. Jewelry: minimal necklaces: choose a necklace with a subtle design, such as a fine chain with a small pendant or a simple bar necklace. These understated pieces enhance your outfit without competing with the boldness of wide leg pants. These can draw attention to your upper half and add a focal point to your outfit. Long and bold earrings: minimal necklaces can create the illusion of a longer neck and beautifully complement the breezy vibe of wide leg pants. If you're looking to jazz things up, bold necklaces or statement earrings can add a pop of excitement and draw the spotlight to your upper body, making your outfit truly stand out. Footwear: heels, high heels or wedges can stretch out your legs and enhance the graceful flow of wide leg pants. Go for pointed toe shoes to add a touch of sleek sophistication. To elevate your look even further, choose shoes in a neutral or matching tone to create a seamless, elongated silhouette. Boots: pick boots with a sleek, streamlined silhouette to maintain the flowy look of wide leg pants. Ankle boots with a fitted shape or knee-high boots can complement the pants without adding bulk. You can either tuck the hem of your wide leg pants into your boots for a neat, streamlined appearance, or let them drape casually over the boots for a relaxed, modern look. 6. Layering. 1. Long coats: long coats with a tailored fit or structure designed to balance the flowy nature of wide leg pants can be a great pick. Elongated coat with a defined waist or sharp lines will complement the voluminous silhouette of the pants and create a polished look. Ensure that your long coat is proportionate to your wide leg pants. A coat that falls just above or below the hemline of the pants will create a cohesive, streamlined appearance. Avoid coats that are too bulky to maintain a balanced silhouette. For a chic layered look, consider adding a fitted sweater or turtleneck under your coat. This adds warmth and texture while keeping the outfit sleek and well proportioned. Jackets. Picking up a jacket with a tailored or structured fit to balance the voluminous nature of wide leg pants is the key. A well-fitted blazer or a cropped jacket can enhance your silhouette without overwhelming it. If you're wearing high-waisted wide leg pants, a cropped jacket or a jacket that ends at the waist can highlight your waistline and create a balanced look. For a more relaxed style, a longer jacket that falls below the hips can add an effortlessly cool vibe. If your wide leg pants are solid or neutral, consider a jacket with bold patterns, colors, or textures to add interest to your outfit. Conversely, if your pants are patterned or vibrant, opt for a more understated jacket to keep the look balanced. Remember to keep it simple. Sometimes less is more. Let the wide leg pants be the statement piece of your outfit and keep the rest simple. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fashion inspo straight from the runway to your wardrobe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.